So here, some of you are writing B, some of you are writing C. Right. So answer is the Caspian Sea. Right. Answer is the Caspian Sea. Right. Suppose if I change the same question, which one of the following is the largest lake by volume in the world? Then what is the answer? Right. So I have put one word. Which one of the following is the largest lake by volume in the world? Question number 44. Right. So answer is C. That is Baikal. Right. In fact, it is not Baikar. It is not a R. It is L. Right. So Lake Baikal is by volume largest one. Right. And by volume, that means if you see its deepness, so it is much more deeper than the Caspian one. But the Caspian is having greatest surface area, right, in the world, and because of that, it is always considered as world's number one. Right. So this is as far as this question is concerned, the option B, that is Caspian Sea, is the answer. Right. Okay, the largest postal network in the world is in which country? So very simple answer. Next question, the new name given to Calcutta city is what? Yes, 45 is India. That's finished. I have finished with it, 45. No doubt it is option C, called India. Right. Now, question number 46. The new name given to Calcutta city is which one? Kalighat, Kolkata, Kolkata, Kolkata. So option D, Kolkata. So most of you are, some of you initially written Kolkata. That is C. It is not C, it is D. Fine. 47. The information technology capital of India is what? So there are 4 different cities given in Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Chennai. Right. Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Chennai. So option B, Bengaluru. So Bengaluru is having most of the information technology companies, right? So because of that, it has become India's information technology capital, right? So option B, called Bengaluru. 48. Kohima is the capital of which of the states? See, we have already gone through this. Kohima is the capital of. What has happened? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Then why not nobody is answering this particular question? In fact, we have gone through.
The chat, sir.
Sorry?
For few minutes, I disable the chat, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, still few of you must have written the correct answer, and the correct answer is The option, I think, where is the question? Option C, Kohima is the capital of Nagaland, right? So you must always keep in mind. 49, the Indian Naval Academy is located at. So you must have now mugged up the Azimala. But where this Azimala is? So it is closest to the part of Kochi. And therefore, according to these four different options, the answer of your 49th question, that is, the Indian Naval Academy is located at Cochin, right? So 49B, right? The word Cochin. Fine. Next one, the longest highway in India runs from. Now here you can have the Jammu to Kanyakumari, right? Yes, Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Why not Jammu to Kanyakumari? My question is, why not Jammu to Kanyakumari? Why the answer D, Varanasi to Kanyakumari? Only little bit, no highway. Okay, that's good. In fact, it is not Jammu, it is Srinagar. Right, so Srinagar to Kanyakumari is the longest national highway. But as far as given among given four different options, so Varanasi to Kanyakumari is the longest one, right? So that we can consider here option D. Fine. So 50, option D. If instead of Jammu, it is if Srinagar to Kanyakumari, then your option B will be the answer. Anyway, next one, 51. Petroleum was first discovered in India at. So most of you are writing option C, Digboi, right? So where this Digboi is? So this Digboi is in the state of Assam. So if you consider how this particular Digboi has come across, or how we come across India's first petroleum discovery, right, which is in Digboi. So in Digboi, during the construction of the Dibrugarh-Lido railway line, it had come across. So there was the digging for the Dibrugarh-Lido railway line, and at that particular time, so our workers came across this particular discovery, which is India's first petroleum, Digboi in Assam. Fine. That is 51. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is. Still someone is writing Diu. I don't know why he doesn't like Port Blair. Right. So answer is the Port Blair. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the Port Blair. Right. So it is option A. 53. Which of the following states in India? Okay. Which one of the following states of India is the least densely populated? least densely populated. Okay, option A. Option B. Option B. See, the option here is Arunachal Pradesh. If you consider its area in kilometers, so it is around 84,000 kilometers square, right? The complete state's area is around 84,000 kilometers square. And if you consider its population, so it is only around 11 lakhs. Sorry, it is only around 14 lakhs, right? So in this much area, these many people are there. So this population and that population density comes across 17, right? And because of that, it has become, or rather it is, India's least populated state. Among the given options, even Sikkim is also in this in list of least populated. If you take India's first 5 states in which, or union territories, states and union territories in which the population is least. So among these the top 5, the Sikkim will be the 5th one. Then Jammu Kashmir comes at number 4. Mizoram comes at number 3. And the territory Andaman and Nicobar, and Andaman Nicobar Islands will be number 2. And Arunachal Pradesh is having least density, that is around 17. And because of that, it is the least densely populated state. Question number 54. Silicon Valley of India is located in. Silicon Valley of India is located in. It is not Dehradun. Again, it is option B. See, information technology, right? Capital. That means therein you will be having most of the software companies or the companies which are in the field of information technology, and that is called Silicon Valley. So India's Silicon Valley is located in the state of Karnataka at the city Bengaluru. So your option is B. Fine. Okay. As per 2011 population census, India's population. So option here is C. So it is exactly according to 2011's population census. So according to that population census, it is 121. But we are looking back 10 years back population census. So next census is being, I think, it is currently being carried out, right? So we have reached to around 140, right? So this is about option C, that is 121 crore. So if anybody wants to have the screenshot, they can. Otherwise, I will be going to the next one. I think most of you must have done. So now I will go to the next one. Okay, let's go for okay, next question. Which one of the following states has the highest female literacy rate in India? No doubt it is overall uh, in fact, most literate state is the same answer, right? So Kerala. Question number 57. The Indian National Army came into existence in, there are 4 different options, right? Where it is in Burma, Japan, Malaysia, or Singapore. First, understand what is this Indian National Army. It is nothing but Azad Hind Fauj. Okay, 57D. D. So most of you have written Malaysia and Singapore. So option is Singapore. See what had happened in that particular case during World War II, right? In 1942. So if you consider the Indian nationalist, right, in the Southeast Asia, they have the aim to secure the Indian independence from British rule, and therefore they formed an alliance with the Imperial Japan, right, in the Asian theater of World War II, right. So it was, let's say, alliance with that one, but something had happened, and by Indians, let's say in Malayan campaign at Singapore. So it was be actually declared, right? So which we can consider the option D, that is Singapore. 58. The first woman judge to be appointed to Supreme Court was, very easy answer. We have already gone through this. Option C, Fatima Bibi. The President of India is elected by 59. Question number 59. Now see, the President of India is elected by the members of Lok Sabha, the members of House of Parliament, both houses of Parliament, that is Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, members of the state legislatures, and the elected members of both houses of Parliament and state assemblies. So option D is there, right? So both the houses of Parliament as well as the MLAs from each of the state assemblies are voting for the president. So president is always elected by option D's, right, as elected members of both houses of Parliament and state assemblies. Who appoints the governors of Indian states? Question number 60. Option is D. So president, every time president is appointing the governor of each of the state. So the states of Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura were created in, I think we have also gone through these different maybe names. If you are remembering, it's a day. So in which month these have been having their foundation day. So it is in the month of January. Right. So the answer of your question is the states of Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura were created in 1972. That is option C, right? Okay, next one. On the first occasion, the Prime Minister of India was appointed by. So no doubt the first Prime Minister of India is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was appointed by the Governor General, the British Emperor, Mahatma Gandhi, or the Viceroy. So obviously the option is D. So Viceroy has appointed the Prime Minister of India. And last question, I think, of today's session. The Ajanta paintings belongs to. So these are the these are the paintings which are rock cut sculptures. That means in a single stone we can consider it. So rock cut sculptures. These are actually the paintings. Yes, some of you are now writing, or rather have written the correct answer. Right. So you couldn't get the question. It is not a we can consider the art. No doubt, as far as art is concerned, so it is always Buddhist. But it is related to the period. In which period? Right. So the Ajanta painting belongs to which of the period? So these are always belonging to the Gupta period, right? So that is the correct one, right? So answer, the option D is there, Gupta period. Fine. So it is not like the which cave monuments are these. So no, these are Buddhist one. But so anyway, this is about the question number 63. So I think someone is having. Okay, now you can have the screenshot of this, and if you have any of the queries, then you can ask. Sir, unmute kara. Shinde sir. Okay, is there any query? If it is, you can put it on. You can text me so that I can read and. So till now you can have this particular screenshot. Right. Till then I will be sharing another one. Second one. So you can have screenshot of this one. Question number 56 and question number 55. According to 2011 population census, India's population was 121 crore. That's it. It is a fact. 2011च्या जनगणनेनुसार किती लोकसंख्या होती? That is the answer. Right. And let's go through. I think this was the first one. Silicon Valley. So it is completely related to the computers as well as electronic industry. So altogether, it comes in Silicon Valley, or altogether it forms the Silicon Valley.
सगळ्यात अनसेफ सिटी इंडियामध्ये कोणती?
चालू आहे. Who is writing this? अरे बाबा, एकच आन्सर 50 वेळेस लिहिलं तर काय बदलणार आहे का? कसं काय असेल बरं? डी 125. हॅव यू सीन इट? इंटरनेटवर सर्च कर जरा किती होते ऍक्च्युअली ते. इट इज नॉट 125 करोड. No doubt it is not exactly 121 crores, but it is not more than 122 crores. It is in between that one. So that because of that, option D is not your answer. Okay, is there any other question? It is not possible to send all the notes from first lecture. $49.50. So what is 49? Question number 49. Indian Naval Academy is located at. So no doubt it is at Ezimala, but Ezimala is very close to the Cochin. It is a part of Cochin. Right. On that day also I said initially it was in Cochin, but now it is shifted to the Ezimala. So here among given 4 options, your option is always Cochin. Question number 50. Longest highway. So no doubt it should be always Srinagar to Kanyakumari, but it is written there Jammu to Kanyakumari. Then what could be the next one among given 4 answers? So it is Varanasi to Kanyakumari. That's it. 56, 61. What is 61? Okay. States of Meghalaya and Manipur, Tripura. So no doubt it is always 1972. Option C, 61. Then what is 56? Which of the following states has the highest literacy is? हाँ सर.
सर लास्ट 1 मिनिट 1.5 मिनिट आहे सर.
ठीक आहे, काय हरकत नाही. असंही त्यांच्या क्वेश्चन्स चाललेले आहेत.
ठीक आहे.
हो. The Ajanta painting belongs to which period? So it is Gupta's period. It is not the sculpture. Right? कुठला आर्ट आहे तर बुद्धिस्ट आहे, राईट आहे, त्याच्याबद्दल डाऊट नाहीये. बट इट इज रिलेटेड टू दॅट क्वेश्चन. यू हॅव टू रीड इट सेल्फ इज लाईक about which. Suppose if this question is not related to period, then why there must be word period in each of the answer options or alternatives, right? Yes, Harappa period, Maurya period, Buddhist period, and Gupta period. So it is of Gupta period, right? सी क्वेश्चन इज ट्विस्टेड. कोणत्या काळातले तो प्रश्न येतो. सो इट वॉज गुप्ताज पिरियड.